Yo, what's cracking YouTube? It's your boy Professor Crypto. Got another hot crypto class for you guys today. This one's on fire. You guys already know anything we bring on the channel, it's got that heat, got that potential, and it definitely should be watched. This one is so different, guys. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. Class is now in session. This one is called Render Network.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
Professor Crypto!
Best content creator.
Professor Crypto.
Now guys, before we jump into today's video, you know I gotta tell you that the video is sponsored by Stake and as well by 3 Commas. Man, 2 lit platforms. Make sure you check them out, guys. Shout out Stake, shout out 3 Commas. Let's jump right into the video. Another top CMC project that we are covering today, guys, Render Network. For anyone who doesn't know, guys, Render Network is the leading provider of decentralized GPU-based rendering solutions, revolutionizing the digital creation process. The network connects node operators looking to monetize their idle GPU compute power with artists looking to scale intensive 3D rendering work and applications to the cloud. Through a decentralized peer-to-peer network, guys, the Render Network achieves unprecedented levels of scale, speed, and economic efficiency. On top of a decentralized GPU computing network, Render provides a platform for artists and developers to build services and applications for the emerging digital economy. The Render Network is a leading decentralized GPU compute platform for applications ranging from 3D rendering to machine learning and generative AI. The network connects node operators looking to monetize their idle GPU compute power with artists and developers looking to scale intensive 3D rendering work and machine learning applications in the cloud. Through a decentralized peer-to-peer network, guys, the Render Network achieves unprecedented levels to scale, speed, and economic efficiency. Facilitated by the Render Network Foundation, the ecosystem empowers artists and developers to build services and applications for the emerging digital economy. It is maintained by the Render Network Foundation. Now, guys, you know that I love 3 Commas. Let's take a look at how I use 3 Commas. The active trades page gives you a clear and convenient overview of all of your running trades. You can easily monitor performance, manage positions, and stay in full control of your trades in real time. And when the trades are completed, guys, you're gonna find them in your trade history, a detailed record of your past performance, helping you analyze and improve your strategy. Before launching any bot, guys, of course, you can test your idea using back testing, okay? All of your test results are saved in the backtest history where you can review performance, add your favorite setups, and launch them anytime with just a few clicks. On the DCA bots page, you can manage your bots in one place, sort them, track your performance, and monitor results with ease. You can even share your trading results with your friends either through social media or by downloading a clean, ready-to-use performance card. When you're ready to create something new, head over to the Create New Bot page. The DCA bot offers powerful and flexible settings that you can satisfy even the most advanced traders. And the interface adapts to your needs, guys, whether you prefer a clean layout or a full chart view for deeper analysis. Finally, guys, the dashboard gives you the complete overview of your trading activity across all tools. Here, you'll be able to also find top strategies, pre-built setups based on the strong backtesting results. Explore them, analyze your performance, and launch new bots with just a few clicks. With 3 Commas, guys, everything you need for smarter trading is just in one place. Explore, test, and automate your strategies with confidence. Shout out 3 Commas, guys. Make sure you check them out. All right, guys. So sliding back over Render here. So let me give you just a little bit of background about them, when they were conceived and everything. So guys, they started off in 2009. Wow. By Otoy Incorporated, the CEO Jules Urbach, and he launched in 2017. Render Token held its first public token sale on October of that same year, followed by a private sale period lasting from January 2018 to May 2018. During the private sale period, guys, early adopters were onboarded onto the Render beta testnet, where beta test node operators and artists work collaboratively with the Render team in building the testing network up until its public launch on April 27, 2020. In March of 2023, guys, the Render community voted on RNP 002 layer 1 network expansion to upgrade from Render ETH to Render Sol for faster speeds and to join other leading DePIN projects. The community votes through the Render network proposal process and has notable voted in RNP 001 and implemented a burn and mint equilibrium model, as well as RNP 004, RNP 005, RNP 007, all the way up to RNP 011, supporting external compute clients and integrations. The Render Advisory Board boasts industry leaders such as Ari Emanuel, JJ Abrams, Brandon Ike, and Imad Mostak, and digital artist Beeple, who have all advised the Render network in various capacities in bridging the gap between creating a system that appeals to both cryptocurrency communities and Hollywood studio production pipelines. I mean, it's really quite an awesome project, guys. The Render network is operating as a sophisticated distributed computing system, effectively creating a worldwide supercomputer for 3D rendering tasks. When artists submit rendering projects, guys, the network intelligently distributes the workload across multiple GPU providers globally, significantly reducing rendering time and cost. This system is built on Otoy's professional-grade Octane rendering software, ensuring high-quality output for all projects. The network employs smart contracts to manage transactions and ensure fair compensation for all participants. Recent technological advancements have introduced AI-assisted rendering capabilities, enhanced efficiency, and creative possibilities. The platform is supporting various file formats and rendering types, from still images to complex animations, and visual effects. Security measures and visual control systems ensure that rendered outputs meet professional standards before payment is processed. The network architecture also allows for continuous scaling, accommodating growing demand while maintaining performance and reliability. As I mentioned, guys, their team is superb. They're developed by Otoy Incorporated under the leadership and founder, CEO Jules Urbach. The project features impressive advisory boards, including entertainment industry leaders and technology innovators, key advisors including Ari Emanuel, JJ Abrams, and renowned digital artist Beeple. The team combines expertise in graphics technology, blockchain development, and entertainment industry knowledge. Recent team expansions have also brought in specialists in AI technology and cross-chain development. The organization maintains its headquarters in LA while operating globally, guys. The team continues to grow, adding expertise in emerging tech and distributed systems. Now, I wanted to show you guys ExpressVPN one more time because this is my VPN of choice, guys. So again, why ExpressVPN? They've got the fastest speeds, invests only in premium servers, making it consistently faster than any other VPN provider. They've got 24/7 customer support. Live chat means that your questions will be answered within seconds, not hours. Trusted server tech. It's physically impossible for ExpressVPN servers to store logs out of customers. Their privacy policy has even been audited by KPMG, and they're connecting up to 14 devices simultaneously with one subscription. Of course, it's going to vary plan by plan. And of course, the ExpressVPN keys, which is the password manager that securely stores unlimited passwords, credit cards, and notes, advanced and pro plans. Their identity defender, get your data removed from data brokers, alerts when your data appears on the dark web, and insurance against dark theft and data theft for up to $1 million, guys. They're dedicated IP, which is an optional add-on that gives you unique IP address not shared with other users, providing a consistent online identity while preserving their privacy. They're rated #1 by CNET, The Verge, PC World, US News, and How to Geek. So make sure and check out ExpressVPN, guys. Shout out ExpressVPN. Great platform again. All right, guys, sliding over back to Render. Now, I do want to show you their CoinMarketCap page because it is lit, guys. Yes, sir. Render is ranked number 53, trading at about $2 right now. Market cap $1.06 billion. Total supply 533.5 million Render tokens. And they've got over 200,000 holders. Massive community, guys. And you know they're trading on Binance, Coinbase, Upbit, OKX, Bybit, BitGet, GateMex, Seek, Huobi. All here, guys. Of course, Binance is leading with 13.47% of their total volume. Shout out Binance, man. You guys already know what it is. Top holders, man. Some of these guys, man, almost 200 million in the value, guys. 18% of their tokens. Crazy, man. Just look at this list, man. Shout out to Render. Shout out to the community, man. These guys are doing it, man. That's what's up. In conclusion, guys, I did want to end off the video talking a little bit about their tokenomics. The Render token serves as an essential currency within the network's ecosystem, guys. Artists purchase Render tokens to access rendering services, while GPU providers earn tokens by contributing their computing resources. Following the migration to Solana in 2023, guys, which was monumental for the project, transactions have become faster, more cost-effective compared to the original Ethereum-based system. The token system creates a balanced marketplace where prices adjust naturally based on network demand and available resources. A portion of tokens used in transactions are permanently removed from circulation, helping maintain long-term value stability. Users can acquire tokens through major cryptocurrency exchanges or directly through the platform. The economic model incentivizes both service providers and users, creating a sustainable ecosystem for continued growth. Recent updates have streamlined the token system, making it more accessible for newcomers, maintaining for newcomers its utility for professional users.
This motherfucker don't miss.
No, he's good.
Shout out to all my students. I love you. Shout out to the Crypto Class Gang. Shout out to the Lemon Gang. Shout out to the Whale Gang. Shout out to the Hotta Gang. Thank you for always your continued support, guys. I really appreciate it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to smash that like button for me. Drop a comment in the comment section below. Please remember, guys, we are an impartial channel, so whether your opinion is negative or positive, we'd be more than happy to hear it. That being said, guys, class is now dismissed. Group hug, group hug. We'll see you in our next video. Professor Crypto out. Really hope you enjoyed that video, guys. Make sure you hit that like button and the subscribe button if you're interested in seeing some more crypto reviews and exclusive international blockchain events. We are the channel for that, guys, as you know. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.